Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which asks for draw a portrait of your favorite superhero. So you need to draw the face of your like any superhero that you like. In this case, we may take suppose most popular one, that is the Batman. So first, what you need to do is you need to get the overall shape sorted out first. Okay, so suppose this is, or you can start with the basic head structure which is common to all human faces, and then you can make the jawline much more sturdy to give it a very tougher look, because superheroes have a face like that. Now on once you have this general structure, then you can just give certain outlines, like where you are trying to could be placing the nose, ears, and the mouth. So always remember that they maintains a different kind of demeanor, and it does not looks like normal human being. A certain kind of aura reflects around them. So that thing shall be present in your sketch. Okay. So certain facial features are expected. So after you have this, then you can go for the eyes, and then finally the iconic mask. So after you have these things ready with you, then you can go for the entire structure of the mask that falls on the face. Okay, during with their shoulders, their necks and shoulders are sorry, necks and shoulders are quite broad because they appear to be very muscular. So that thing shall be present in your sketch. So after this, then you can go for slight sketch it out, like our mask shall look, because it is darker color. So your strokes shall also be in the same way, so that the flow of the mask comes out. Okay, with pencil strokes. So that is something that is expected from you. So see, we have a certain amount of detail ready with us. Okay, so after you have this much, then you can go for a little brighter, a little darker shades to bring out the entire mask's reflection. Okay, so here we are going to sketch it darker, and here too. So here we are going to give, but we are going to give the jawline much more strength. So after this one, we can go for the eyes. And then the eyebrows. Here we can give certain much more depth. And we now have that leather like effect here. All right, so then you can give a certain indication about the uh, facial features. So you see, now we have almost our sketch ready. There are certain minor adjustment of the light and shade that is needed to be done. So that it looks interesting and very edgy. So after you have this ready till here, then you can take an eraser and bring out the highlights like this. So this will give some added interest in your sketch. which is very important to score good marks. So I hope you are following how to use light and shade to create a sketch that would look impactful. And then again you can use this brush and make the neck a lightly much more darker. So this is how you make a sketch of your superhero or any other superhero that you may like. You start with a basic head shape and then give the accessories and that character might wear. So I hope this helped you understanding how to make a superhero's portrait. Keep practicing with other characters. Thank you.